Inside the Guide to Success is a GoCommerce initiative designed to present you a series of sessions highlighting the features of GoCommerce.
So for the past few months, we are receiving a lot of requests from our existing clients who are using GoTrack module. That is a container tracking system, and they wanted to view the carbon emission with container tracking. So we thought, how should we collect their feedback? What better way to do it than to float a survey across all our customers who belong to various different industries, right from FMCG to automobile to pharmaceutical to apparel industries, to get their requirements. So once the survey was floated, we got to know few of the insights. In those insights, we found out those insights was floated across APAC, US and Europe region. In those insights, we found out close to 55% of our clients resonated with the challenge of tracking carbon emission. You can see in the pie chart, more than 50% of the APAC clients were interested in this, followed by the US and the European clients. After we knew that the clients were interested in this, we found out some reasons and challenges that they were seeking to CO2 emissions data as per the survey. One of the most important reason we found out was to reduce and identify the emission hotspots. So what exactly what this was, they wanted to identify in which of their particular trade lane, which of the carrier is emitting higher CO2. So I'll give an example. A certain customer is doing a shipment from India to Australia, India to Netherlands, India to Singapore. They wanted to clearly identify which of the trade lane, which of the carrier is identifying huge emissions so that they can analyze and take a particular decision. The second reason was non-availability of accurate and reliable data. So here, the customers were finding it very difficult to find accurate and reliable data which they can share with their stakeholders as well as their country government. So in the CO2 tracker which we have, we'll be properly following the GLEC framework. So you must be wondering what GLEC is. So GLEC is Global Logistics Emission Council. That is a framework which is widely accepted, and we will be following that framework in calculating the CO2 emission. Third reason and the challenge we found out was to comply with their local country government regulation and the sustainability growth. So customers gave us the feedback that it was their local country government norm that they had to declare the CO2 emissions and reduce it in their international trade going forward.